Alright, hey guys, you guys are not in the view where I normally keep you guys, but that's okay. Um, they are remodeling my restroom right now, so if you guys hear a lot of noise in the background, it's alright. I did just wake up, and I don't know if you guys want to see that time. It's 9:37. It's really late, and I need to go to the groceries. With my sisters to go pick up some food or something. And then after that, I have to go to the house. No, well, I can't go to the hospital right now. Actually, like around 1 or 2, I'm gonna go to my aunt's house because she just got operated, and we want to go visit her. So today's gonna be a quick video on how to fix the zippers on your jeans. You know, when they really don't stay up and they keep they keep rolling down. Oh yeah, I know how to stop that. And it's really quick. All you need is one thing. Well, two actually. Three. Your hands and your little safety pins. Maybe this could see those. Here, I'll get one out. And your little safety pin. Safety pins. They're all. And your jeans. Of course, your jeans. Your zipper. Something like that. Alright. I'm gonna keep you guys right here, I think. Alright. So, pretty much, all you gotta do is, put your zipper over here. Sorry guys if you guys are not in the good definition, because I'm holding it. And these zippers, I just hate these zippers. Here, I'm gonna put you guys on. I think I'm gonna put you guys right here. I am having problems putting the freaking zipper on. Alrighty, I got the zipper up. I pulled it all the way up. As you can see, it's all the way up. Ugh. And then, normally you want to put the, oh my gosh. Sorry, just button it up. Alright, so normally, what you want to do is put your finger on the zipper handle, and then put a safety pin like right under it, so then your zipper doesn't roll down, or your zipper goes down. So all you gotta do is here. Oh my god, what you guys again? Yeah, I'm just gonna get a quick, like, I'll just get this medicine bottle, put you guys here. Alright. So once you got your jeans, get one of your safety pins. We'll get two. Well, I'm using little ones, I'm not using big ones, because I don't have big ones. So, let me put you guys a little bit more down. So right here, I'm gonna, like, put the, little safety pins right on the track, like, where the track begins and where the track ends. Not like you're gonna close it and put it all the way over here, no. Right on the track, right there. So, get your little safety pin. Then put the zipper all the way up again. Start off where I told you, where the track starts, and then pull it out where it ends, and then you put it in. And then the zipper is not gonna go that far down, look. It's not gonna really go that far down. It's just gonna stay in the same place. And when you go wash it, I think it might stay. So there's no problem with that. So another one. And if I were to be you guys, if you guys face it this way, like I did, turn turn the other one the other way, and then pull it out. Alright, and then fit it in. Ouch. And you're done. It doesn't matter how it looks, no one's gonna see it because you're gonna cover it up with this part. And then probably if you have a long shirt, it's not gonna be noticeable. So there you go. You got your own little over here. And it's not gonna go down, it's only gonna go a little bit down because this is stopping it. So yeah. You can lift this up and that's it. Really good. No problem. Alright. And as normal, if you have jeans and they don't fit you and you have these on, I don't know, I really don't have another problem unless you go to a store and buy a zipper and you put it back on yourself. It's really easy to put a zipper in if you can tell right there. So there you go. And it's not going to poke you because it's on the other side and you did make it curve up, so it's not going to poke you. I've tried this so many times, so it's not going to poke you. So in one of my next videos I will show you guys how to do different things, DIYs, which means do it yourself or stuff like that. But yes, I'm not going to do a lot of things because they are remodeling my restroom and I just woke up, like just barely woke up. And so, right, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye!